Have you ever heard a cat purr and wondered why? Cats purr to express their feelings, especially when they're happy or content. It's their way of communicating with you and other cats. When a cat is being petted or cuddled, those gentle vibrations signal their pleasure. But there's more. Cats also purr when they're scared, in pain, or even healing. The sound comes from a special mechanism in their larynx that opens and closes rapidly, creating that soothing noise. Interestingly, scientists believe that the vibrations from purring can promote healing, helping cats recover from injuries. So purring is both a comfort and a clever way to communicate emotions.